Hey guys, welcome back to Cristin Live Acres. In today's video, I want to go over animals that you should consider owning for food. Having a few animals can be a great source of food, milk, and wool. If you're planning to live off the grid or you just want to be better prepared for an emergency scenario, I'm going to give you a list of animals you might want to consider owning and why. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Number one would be chickens. Chickens are my favorite animals to raise as they provide you with fresh eggs daily and they're a great source of meat. I currently have several chickens and ducks, which I will take you outside and show you in just a minute. But chickens are a great way for beginners to really dip their feet into animal husbandry. They're fairly minimal in the care that they need, so it's just a great way to get started. Number two, ducks. Ducks are a great source of meat and they lay large, delicious eggs. These animals are also quiet and fairly easy to maintain. Okay, so this is my chicken and duck run and coop. And as you can see, they're very friendly. This is Red. I would bring her out, but my dogs got curious. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. All right, number three, hopefully you can hear me over the chickens in the background, is goats. Goats are super friendly animals, however, they can be difficult to keep fenced in at times. They are known as the escape artists of the farm. They provide a great source of milk and cheese, but they're also a good source of meat, and they'll be very helpful clearing any land that you need cleared out. They eat just about anything. All right, let's move on to number four, rabbits. Rabbits are a great source of meat and they're fairly easy to process. Much easier than, say, if you were processing a chicken, because unless you have an automatic feather plucker, it does take some time. I personally don't eat my chickens or ducks. However, if it came down to it, you know, I would if I had to, but they're my pets and part of the family, so unless SHTF happens, they're probably just going to stay right where they're at because they provide me with wonderful, delicious, healthy eggs. Number five is a dairy cow, which is a great source for cream and milk. Number six, beef cattle. Just one of these can provide your family an entire freezer full of meat for your family for the winter. And number seven, sheep. I think sheep and goats would be my next venture into, you know, animal husbandry and the farmstead, as I like to call it. Sheep are very friendly animals. They provide milk and wool, and they also provide a good source of meat. Sorry, my dogs are in the background. I've tried shooting this several times. I'm about to give up. Owning and caring for livestock is a big commitment, so I always suggest that people start small. I would start off with maybe chickens and then go from there and see what animals work best for your specific situation. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see you later.